Hello. In this video, we will see how to declare a new initiative. To do this, from your home page, you have several options. Either by clicking on the New Initiative button in this action block, by using the New Initiatives buttons in the list of plans, or by clicking on the button in the navigation area, which can also be a simple plus sign if this area is collapsed. By clicking on it, I access the Initiative Declaration form. Depending on your platform's configuration, the available fields may vary. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory to submit the form. Let's declare an initiative together. First, I choose which plan to categorize it under. Then I give it a title. And I can add an image to illustrate my subject or make my initiative more appealing. I can also optionally add one or more co-authors. Next, I explain the context of the initiative to help future participants understand the reason behind creating it. For each text field, I can add an attachment, a link, or refer to another initiative available on the platform. For our example, I will add a PDF file. I then describe the initiative, including, for example, the proposed solution and the resources required for its successful execution. For this field, I choose to add a Word document and a link to a website. Finally, I describe the expected benefits. The form allows me to link my initiative to a set of classification elements. Here, I specify that this initiative will impact customer experience. I then have the choice to either save and submit my initiative for approval or save it as a draft. By clicking Save and Submit, I can see who will be the approver of the initiative. And if my permissions allow, I can also choose him or her. I can then optionally leave a comment to this approver. Please note that this comment is not intended to be private. It will be visible to all users who have access to this initiative. Finally, I click Submit. I am then redirected to my initiative page. I can see that the first declaration step has been successfully validated and that it is pending the approver's decision. On this page, I can find all the information that has been filled out. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.